Oh wow, look at these beautiful birds. I wish I could zoom in closer for y'all. Oh wow, two lovely birds enjoying themselves. I'm gonna get up real slowly, everybody. But if you're enjoying your time as much as I am, please subscribe to this channel. Luca Fletcher. Luke Shotwell, Luke Fletcher. But it's a very special moment when you actually can get really close and zoom in. They were just sleeping before I came up. And see, he wants to be right there with this baby. It's okay, guys, I ain't gonna hurt you. Just want to show everybody. Let's get up real slowly. Oh, sorry little guys, you can relax. Just showing everybody the beauty. Oh, that's so cool, so sweet. You're cleaning them. So cute. Very special moment. Oh, we still got one left. One little handsome guy. Or beautiful girl. Try to get a little bit closer, everybody.